Today I'm going to be removing the badge letters on my Titan, and the reason I'm doing this is because the plastic dip is starting to fade and come off. I don't like the chrome, and it'll be a lot easier to clean. It's pretty hard to clean around that area and wax it. Now this will take some time because you got to remove all the letters individually, and this is what I'm using. I've got a heat gun, a 3M eraser wheel. Put a link to that down below. I've got some Goo Gone, some masking tape. I've got several microfiber towels and a plastic scraper. And I'm going to use a bit of all of these. You can use a bit more of one than the other for yours, or you can find a totally different method. I did try dental floss and my floss was just breaking. Fishing line would be better, but I'm just going to use the plastic scraper, or you could use a plastic pry tool as well. So let's get going. So I've gone ahead and masked off the area around it just in case, so I'm not slipping and scratching the paint around it. And I'm going to rinse it off so there's no dirt. I'm not smearing any dirt or pushing any dirt into the paint. Okay, I've done the other side already. I started by heating each letter individually, one at a time, just to soften the adhesive a little bit. And then using my plastic scraper to get it in under an edge. They come off pretty easily. And it leaves all the tape behind, or the adhesive. And you can remove that with an eraser wheel, but because of how thick it is, it takes quite a bit of time. You can also get it with your fingernail, but it doesn't peel, it just breaks off. And this is different for different vehicles too, they use different adhesives, but I found the plastic scraper to be the quickest. And it does leave some behind. You can see there's still a bit left behind. Now you can attack that with Goo Gone, or you can use your eraser wheel. I found the eraser wheel is best. Next, slow speed, and you don't want to stay in one spot because you can damage the paint with this as well. You just have to be careful. So that's pretty much most of that end gone, and we will use the Goo Gone after we get all the rest of the letters off. This is what it looks like after we've gone over it with the eraser wheel. Just wipe some of that stuff off. We're going to go over it with the Goo Gone. The dog's making funny noises. Okay. You can still see the outlines of the letters here. You can almost get that with your fingernail. Or you can use some more Goo Gone on your towel and go at it. I'm not sure if this is going to make much difference or not, but I'm just going to run play bar over this. Before I wax it. And I'm going, if I had any polish, I would probably polish this, but I don't. I'm just going to throw some wax on it. So that's turned out pretty good. So, but next time I detail it, should blend right in. So I gotta blend in right now because it's gonna be cleaner than the rest of the truck. And this one turned out pretty good. Like I said, the rest of the truck is dirty, so once I wash the whole thing, it'll blend right in. I can't even tell on this one. There's a little bit of residue there, but you can't tell where the letters were. There's the finished shot from back here. So like I said, if I can find the 3M eraser on Amazon, I'll put a link down below, and also the Goo Gone.